Okay, let's look at an example here. Just to get familiar more with Miller's theorem, this example I have taken. So you have to calculate V naught by Vi. AC analysis you have to do directly. The values for amplification factor is 30 mu, and drain resistance, internal drain resistance is 5 kilo ohm. It is given to you. This is 47 kilo ohm, 33 kilo ohm minus VGG, Vi, V naught 10k plus VDD. You have to calculate V naught by Vi, and you have to assume that neglect all the capacitances. Okay, so directly you can make the equivalent circuit, AC equivalent. So here you can make this as if this is 33k, then this is R1. I'll tell you what R1 is. Then here you are applying Vi, positive, negative. This is ground. Okay, this part I am since this will be ground. Okay, this is a DC signal. So for AC analysis this will be ground. This is the input signal what we are applying. Then this is what you have in the input side. So this voltage is also Vi, you can see that parallel. Then coming to the output side, we have this FET. So I'll write GMVI, then internal resistance RD, small rd. Then this is your capital RD. Then what else you have? The Miller part of this guy. So I'm calling it as R2. And at the last you are having V out. Okay, so you can see that this is Vi, this is V out, and R1 and R2 are Miller components of this 47k resistor. So R1 will be R, this if I'll call it as R divided by 1 minus AV, whereas R2 will be R divided by 1 minus 1 by AV, where AV will be same V naught by Vi, because this is the terminals between which this R is connected. So this is V naught and this is Vi, the terminal potential with respect to ground, terminal potential with respect to ground. So this I can directly write Vi, which is what we require. Okay, so I'll write it here. So AV is equal to V naught by Vi. Now if I'll simplify it, see, I don't require R1 as such, but the value of R2 I require, because V naught by Vi will have this equivalent resistance. Okay, so if I'll call R equivalent is equal to parallel combination of RD parallel capital RD parallel R2. So this three resistors parallel combination I am calling it as R equivalent. So what will be my V naught? V naught will be minus GM Vi, this is the current in the opposite direction, okay, in this direction, times the resistance, which is R equivalent, that will be the voltage. Okay, so from directly you can calculate here V naught by Vi will be minus GM R equivalent, but we don't have the value of GM, but we have the value of mu and RD. So if you remember, amplification factor will be mu is equal to GM into RD. So from here if you plug the value of GM, what you will get is minus mu divided by RD. These two values we have. R equivalent we have to calculate, RD we know, this capital RD we know, and R2 is this guy. Okay, so if I'll write in values, this will be 5k parallel with 10k parallel with R2. Okay, where R2 is you can simplify it. So here you can write RAV divided by AV minus 1, where the value of R is 47k. Okay, so ultimately you got this expression. You have to plug the value of all the variables and you will get the gain. Okay, so I'll do that. So what are things I should remove? R1 we don't require, R equivalent we don't require. Now we don't want all this expression. Okay, so I'll remove it, and this is my R2. So what will be my R equivalent? This. So 5k in parallel with 10k, it is 10k. So 5k in parallel with 10k is 10 by 3k. Parallel with R2. R2 is RAV divided by AV minus 1. So if you will calculate this, you will get 47 AV divided by 151 AV minus 10 kilo ohms. Okay, so this will be in kilo ohms. So the R equivalent. So just a means parallel combination of these two. So if you want to write it, you can write 10 by 3 into RAV divided by AV minus 1 divided by the sum of these, 10 divided by, so kilo ohm I'll remove it because kilo ohm directly I'll write outside. So 10 divided by 3 plus RAV divided by AV minus 1. You take the LCM, solve it, you will get this. Okay, just to give you an explanation, not required, you can do that. So directly I'll plug the value R equivalent you have now. So V naught by Vi will be minus, now this V naught by Vi is same as AV. Okay, this V naught by Vi. So AV I can write is equal to this whole expression. So minus 30 divided by 5 kilo ohm. This is in kilo ohm also. So 47 AV divided by 151 AV minus 10 kilo ohms. Now this kilo ohm and this kilo ohm will get cancelled, and you can see that this expression is in AV. So if you will solve it, you will get AV is equal to minus 18.61. This will be the gain. Okay, so I hope you got the feel. Now I can remove everything. You got the value of gain. This was the answer. So nothing new. I just wanted to make you comfortable with Miller's theorem, because most of the time students feel some sort of mental blockage when they see this kind of resistor between this gate and drain. Okay, so you can divide it easily and you can find the gain, 18.61 minus. Okay, this is a common source amplifier, you can say. So that's the why inversion is there, and I hope you are able to means like brush it up. Okay, just nothing new. I just wanted to make you adaptable to this kind of resistors. Okay.